Imagine a place where the tropical sun kisses the ocean, where ancient temples whisper stories of romance, where the food is a riot of colors and flavors. Welcome to Bali, the island of gods, a land of natural grandeur, steeped in a rich tapestry of culture, and brimming with romantic allure. In this video, we'll guide you through a 7-day itinerary that will let you experience Bali's enchanting charm without breaking the bank. So buckle up as we embark on a 7-day journey through this island paradise. Touch down in Bali's Ngurah Rai International Airport and feel the tropical air wrap around you. As you step outside, consider hailing a taxi or hiring a private car to whisk you away to your hotel. There are plenty of budget-friendly accommodations in Seminyak or Kuta to choose from. As you settle in, you'll be greeted by the heartwarming smiles and welcoming spirit of Bali's locals. Unpack, unwind, and get some rest, because tomorrow, we start our Bali adventure. Wake up to the sound of waves and get ready to explore Ubud, the cultural heart of Bali. Start your day at the Ubud market, a treasure trove of local crafts and unique souvenirs. Then venture to the sacred monkey forest, where nature and spirituality intertwine. Don't miss the Tagalalang Rice Terrace, a stunning testament to Bali's agrarian heritage. When hunger strikes, indulge in authentic Balinese cuisine at a local eatery. After a day in Ubud, head back to your hotel and dream of tomorrow's adventures. Slip into your flip-flops, because today we are hitting Kuta's golden beaches. Imagine the feeling of warm sand sifting through your fingers, the soothing sound of waves crashing against the shore. For the thrill seekers, why not try a surfing lesson? There's a first time for everything, right? And for the foodies, the beachside cafes serve mouth-watering local delicacies that you just can't miss. As the sun sets, indulge in a romantic beach dinner, the perfect end to a laid-back day in paradise. Step onto a ferry and set sail to Nusa Penida, a hidden gem just off Bali's coast. This untouched paradise boasts breathtaking views, with treasures like Kelingking Beach and Broken Beach. These spots offer a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of mainland Bali. Throughout the day, indulge in the local cuisine at delightful yet affordable restaurants, where the flavors of the island come alive. No journey to Bali is complete without a day trip to Nusa Penida. Return to mainland Bali with memories of Nusa Penida's untouched beauty. Welcome to Seminyak, where Bali's vibrant nightlife meets its chic boutique scene. These 2 days are about indulging in the urban side of Bali. Start by diving into Seminyak's bustling shopping district, a haven for fashionistas and art lovers alike. This is the place to find unique souvenirs, trendy outfits, and intriguing art pieces that you won't find anywhere else. Then, experience the renowned beach clubs of Seminyak, where you can lounge by the sea with a cocktail in hand, enjoying the rhythm of the waves and the pulsating beats of the DJ. Day 6 is all about relaxation. Unwind in your resort, taking full advantage of the amenities on offer. Indulge in a soothing spa treatment, perhaps a traditional Balinese massage, or immerse yourself in the local culture by joining a cooking class. As the sun sets on day 6, revel in the memories you've made. The vibrant city life, the stunning beaches, the tranquil resort, all part of your unforgettable Bali experience. As the sun rises on your final day in Bali, reflect on the unforgettable journey you've had. Start your day with an early breakfast, savoring the last of the island's exotic flavors. Perhaps squeeze in some last-minute souvenir shopping, a token to remember the magical moments spent here. Let's take a moment to recap the past week. You've navigated the cultural heart of Ubud, basked in the sun on Kuta's golden sands, and embarked on a day trip to the mystical Nusa Penida. Not to forget, you've delved into the stylish life of Seminyak and indulged in the luxury of your resort's amenities. All this, while keeping your wallets happy. Indeed, Bali has proven to be a perfect blend of romance and affordability. As you say goodbye to Bali, remember, the island of gods is always ready to welcome you back for more adventures. Bali is more than just a destination. It's a feeling, a memory, a story worth telling. This enchanting island, with its stunning landscapes and vibrant culture, offers a multitude of romantic experiences that don't break the bank. From the tranquil Ubud to the lively Kuta, the exotic Nusa Penida to the stylish Seminyak, every day in Bali can be an unforgettable chapter in your love story. Don't just dream of this perfect honeymoon, make it a reality. So when are you booking your ticket to Bali?